Hello guys, a lot of you people must be wondering if your lovebird is having an infection in its eye. My lovebird is having an infection like this in its eye. You can see it is swollen from one side. Yesterday actually it was very much red and his eye was turning red. So I started this medicine yesterday with 2 drops a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. It's called Betnisol N, and I used it. It is basically used for eye, ear, and nose, but you can use for the eye of your lovebird. And I think you should start using it as soon as you see the infection before it spreads too much, or you may lose your little lovebird. So it's better that you start using the medicine. See, it has improved in just one day with 2 doses. If the medicine is not available in your area, you can also use a combination of dexamethasone and gentamicin. And just take care of your lovebirds, because as soon as you see the infection you should start using the medication, or you might be seeing the symptoms like your lovebird is losing his appetite, he is not become social, and in worst case it can be fatal for them. So just be careful with their medication, and keep an eye on them, and just take care of your lovebird.